Gold and silver, two of the most precious metals in the world and traditional symbols of wealth and status. Aside from making pretty jewelry, these precious metals are important components in modern technology. The Philippines became a major player in the gold and silver mining industry in the 1930s. Today, the Philippines still has many gold and silver reserves waiting to be discovered. In Mindanao, in the new province of Compostela Valley, rich sources of gold and silver have been identified and are just waiting to be tapped. The municipality of Maco is one of the 11 municipalities that make up the Compostela Valley. It has also been the home of Apex Mining for the last few decades. I'm Mike Liwag. Join me as we explore the world of Apex Mining. Apex Mining Company Inc., established in the 1930s, is an all-Filipino company engaged in the business of mining and milling ore, chief of which are gold and silver.
Apex is an old company. It started in the 1930s. It was started by, I think, the Lizaldes, and then the Ortigas family took it over in the 70s. When the gold prices went down, the company stopped operation in the late 70s, and then we took over control of management and became the majority stockholder in 2014.
Apex Mining was granted 2 mineral production sharing agreements to explore and extract gold and silver in Maco. The first step towards extracting the gold and silver is exploration drilling.
Meron kasing stages ng mineral exploration. Reconnaissance muna. After reconnaissance, follow-up work. Follow-up work, after that, merong sinasabing detailed work. Then, after ng drilling, doon na papasok yung feasibility studies. Kung may makita ka ng ore deposit, Pag sinasabing ore, bali economical na minahin yon.
After confirming that the area is viable for mining, they then set up the tunnels.
Yung ginagamit namin na method is mechanized or yung trackless mining. Yung mga openings namin dito is around 3 by 3.5 to 4 by 4.5 meters na kayang ipasok yung malalaking equipo. Yung unang ginagawa namin is yung development po, which is parang kung i-relate natin siya sa surface is parang gumagawa tayo ng highway papunta doon sa tina-target natin.
Safety is one of the 3 core values of Apex Mining. Before going into the working areas of the mining mill, personal protective equipment or PPE must be worn. A reflective jacket and padded pants are worn to ensure visibility. Sturdy safety shoes or boots protect feet from falling or rolling objects. A safety helmet should be worn at all times for protection from falling objects. Safety glasses are worn to protect the eyes from flying particles. A headlamp is also provided for added visibility in the mine. A mask and respiratory equipment are carried by each visitor to the mine. In case of emergency, these will prevent the inhalation of dust and contaminants. As long as visitors follow the safety procedures and follow the posted safety signs, their safety is ensured. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Portal 560. Pag pumasok tayo sa loob, makikita natin yung sinasabi nilang conventional mining. Tara, let's go! Inside the mines, air supply is very important.
Yung blowers kasi is sila yung nagbibigay ng adequate ventilation sa underground. Kasi as we go far from the surface, yung hangin sa loob is kokonti na lang. So kailangan natin ng ventilation.
Conventional mining uses handrails and locomotives, while the trackless mining method uses jumbo drills, LHDs, and LPTs. They also used focus explosives to extract the ore. Itong ginagawa nila ngayon ay tinatawag na charging. Isinisiksik nila sa loob yung mga dinamita sa drill holes for blasting para makuha ang mga oro na dinadala naman sa planta para maproseso. Parte din ito ng proseso sa pagdevelop ng tunnels. The load-haul dump trucks and low-profile trucks are used to collect ore and take them from the tunnels to transport it to the milling site. The process of extracting precious minerals from the earth poses a lot of risks. That is why Apex has a highly trained and skilled safety and rescue team on standby at all times. Sa likod ko ay natutunghayan ninyo kung paano yung sinasagawa ang safety drill, kung saan kilala ang Apex bilang isa sa pinakamagaling sa larangang ito. After mineral-rich ore is collected from the various mining sites, conventional dump trucks take it to the milling site. At the milling site, ore is broken down into smaller pieces until it becomes a fine powder. Nandito tayo ngayon sa mill plant at ito ang crushing area, ang unang proseso ng mill kung saan dinudurog ang mga bato galing sa mina. Ito ang grinding area. Dito makikita natin ang rod mill at ang ball mill kung saan ginigiling ng pinong-pino ang mga bato galing crushing. Ito na namang nasa kanan ko, ito yung tinatawag nating leaching tank. Dito, gumagamit tayo ng mga chemical gaya ng cyanide at lime. These chemicals are added to separate the gold and silver from the ore.
The wastewater is taken to detox tanks and pumped into the tailings dam where it is cleared and purified.
Ito ang tinatawag na tailings management facility ng Apex. Dito iniimbak ang lahat ng tails na galing sa mill. After being separated from the wastewater, the gold and silver are then smelted. Smelting superheats these metals so that they can be poured into cast and form into bars. These bars are called dore. It is now ready to be shipped to the gold and silver market overseas. Care for the environment is another core value of Apex. As part of their dedication to being a responsible mining firm, they take great care to minimize the effect that their activities have on the environment. They conduct tree planting, protection and maintenance activities throughout the working area and in the surrounding communities. This is the Central Nursery. They have a capacity of 500,000 seedlings.
Mga seedlings nito ay ginagamit namin sa rehabilitation program ng company. Then ang ibang seedlings nito binigay namin sa community para sa livelihood nila at saka itanim sa lupa nila. Karamihan sa seedlings namin dito na bigay namin sa LGU ng Mako at saka sa DNR Syndrome Mako para itanim nila to support the national greening program of the government.
Apex also seeks to enrich the lives of the surrounding community throughout social development and management programs.
Sa Apex Mining Company, being a responsible mining company, meron kaming mandate to develop our host and neighboring barangays. Meron tayong flagship projects or flagship programs. No? Ito yung i-acronym natin na HELPS. Health and medical, education, livelihood, public infrastructure, and socio-cultural support.
Malaking tulong sa Apex, kaya ngayon nakita nyo ang malaking simbahan sa bundok ng Elizalde. Pero yung programa ng Apex talaga nakakatulong sa simbahan, sa mga tao dito.
Sila nagbibigay sa amin ng machine at nagbibigay sa amin ng puhunan upang maka-start kami ng aming kunting livelihood negosyo. Kami nagpo-provide ng ventilation tube sa kanilang tunnel.
Yung unang binigay sa amin, binigyan kami ng start capital. Yun ang nangyari na nagsimula kaming maggawa ng hollow blocks. Pagkatapos pinag-training kami ng mga expert sa paggawa ng hollow blocks. Yung Apex din ang nagbabayad. Binigyan kami ng mga molde.
Apex seeks to ensure that the children in the surrounding communities are given opportunities to learn and grow. They have adopted 13 schools in the mining community. They grant scholarships, augment teacher salaries, donate teaching materials and school supplies and improve school facilities.
Isa sa mga programa ng Apex sa kanilang Social Development Management Program to open the school as a part of their educational program. In 2014, na-build ang school namin with the Apex, partnership of the Apex and the provincial government. And then continuous naman po ang program nila. If ever we need financial assistance, they give us.
Overall, kinuha nila is 45 scholars. Isa po ako doon at doon po kami sa Cebu pinapaaral. Malaki talagang naitulong nito sa pamilya namin, sa komunidad, at sa aming sarili.
As part of their commitment to community building, Apex has set up housing developments for residents whose former homes were in hazardous areas.
Binayaran kami lahat. Dito kami nilagay ni Mr. Brown po. Yun ang sabi niya, ilagay daw kami sa mabuting kalalagyan.
The company also has a memorandum of agreement with the Valley's indigenous people, allocating 1% of its gross output to the Macao Ancestral Domain Inc.
O gawas na ini, dagang pang mga ipangatag sa Apex, gawas sa surface right, dagang pang ipangatag sa Apex din ang dapita, gitawag og SDMP, livelihood, sa mga kababayanan, doon ang mga proyekto nga gihatag. So nahimo na nga din napita, nagsugod na ang development sa mga tribo. Ngani sa pagkakaroon, nagpasalamat ang tribo nga murag angat-angat lang panginabuhi.
The guiding principle of Apex is to maintain harmonious relations with its host community, as well as honest and fair treatment of everyone involved in its operations.
And we're trying to promote also an appreciation among the local government units and the community that the solution to the economic problems require not treating illegal miners as only a problem, but also as a possible solution to two factors. One, peace and order, and the other one is the alleviation of poverty. I think our major contribution has been to uplift the feeling of the community and to bring the military, the police, the local communities together to start to address the problem.
Apex Mining is dedicated to being not just a profitable mining firm, but a responsible one. Their operations value more than just gold and silver. By ensuring that their operations below meet world standards and continuously caring for the communities above, Apex ensures a bright, shiny future ahead.